Okay, I want to show you how to make bug spray for your vegetable garden. Just get some chewing tobacco. Put about half of this pack into, this is a gallon, and stick it in the sun. Gallon water. Then get you some of this soap here. Laundry, bath, and stain remover. Put it in a stocking. Stick it in water. Stick out in the sun. Let the sun do all the work for you. And then you're going to use mouthwash. And you'll use a cup of this, of your tea after it's steeped all day. A cup of your soap. This is, I left it out there for about, it's still soft. I left this out there about 3 hours. And then I hung it up, clipped it, let it drip in a bowl. And then I poured the rest of it in there. And you just soak that in there in the sun. And you want to hang it up so it's not all gooey so you can do it again. That's the soap you use. And then, so you'll put a cup of your chewing tobacco tea, and then a cup of your laundry soap in there, and then a cup of mouthwash, and get the mint flavored. And then put it in a spray bottle like this. And just spray your plants with it. That's it. Okay, bye. Let's get a screenshot.